Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Danny Smith. Welcome to the Danny Sook Show, and today we are looking at a plush toy, which is the Sonic the Hedgehog plush with sound effects. Yeah. And this is actually done by Underground Toys, so let's have a look at them, shall we? So, as you can see here, try me. So let's hear the sound, shall we? And that's really about it on that one. So yeah, let's have a look at them, shall we? So, as you see here, the face. See the green eyes joined together, really good. And face, there's black nose. Also the smile, yeah. Also you see the pointy ear, that one, and over here. And it's very quite soft. It's very soft, this plush toy. So yeah. Also see his hand there, and also it's all stitched. It's all like together. It's all stitched up in there. And then over here as well, and that's stitched as well. And then of course his tummy. It's just like try me. So you can hear his sound effects. And also there's his legs. So we have his shoes as well. So that's his shoes. In here. Over there. Yeah. And under the shoes. Yeah. So that's the front bit, and also that's the label as well. So this is actually done by Underground Toys. So very pleased with that one. Yeah. We turn it around. As you see the spikes on the back. So over there. And also over here as well. It's quite, very big. Over there. Also on the middle bit, that's the where the sound effect is. You can actually put like you can actually have batteries in it, like if the sound effects is really running out of battery, so you can actually get some battery on that one. And also there's the spike right here, and also his little tail, and also the back of the legs as well. So yeah, really amazing. So let's have a look at the box. As you see here, so the Hedgehog plush with sound effects. So I actually got this for about £14.99 in a game shop called Game. As you can see here, try me, squeeze me to hear me. That's what he will say. Picture of the Sonic always reminds me of the front cover of Sonic Adventure. It always kind of reminds me a little bit like that. Yeah. And then of course, yeah, and the back, just all the information. It's the battery information of that one. So yeah, so this is what it looks like inside the battery. Yeah, and of course it's made by Underground Toys. Now apparently there is a Tails one. Apparently, somebody on Twitter actually gave me a picture of what the Tails plush toy looks like. So yeah, apparently the Tails plush toy with the sound effects one is very expensive. And the guy who actually found it was actually Blue Guy Studios, who actually showed me the picture of what it looks like. So I'd just like to say, Blue Guy Studios, thank you very much for showing me the picture of Tails. But he's very expensive. I wish I could have him. That would be so cool to have Tails with sound effects, just like Sonic. So that was it really. So that's the Sonic the Hedgehog plush with sound effects. So I'd just like to say, please subscribe, leave a comment, and give it a thumbs up. Yeah. And let's hear these sound effects, shall we? Yeah. How cool is that? Amazing. Very pleased with that. Thank you very much, guys. Bye. Sonny, you want to say something? Yeah. Bye.